Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest Pamela Sagadi channel, a faith healer o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayong energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mga kaginap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos uploads. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik reglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating spirit for the sign of Cancer? So let's see and watch this. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer? Angel spirit guide, please give me information po. There's a justice card, karma is waving. So ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo, huwag ka mag-alala. No, may kaakibat tong karma. No, there's something in principle karma. No, there's something in legal matters na maaaring nagre-represent with the justice card. No, there's a karmic justice, consequences is coming your way. And this is something the Page of Swords is spying, looking, watching at you. Or either being curiosity, so kailangan na tuklasin mo, no? Alamin mo, handa kang matuto, hindi ka dapat matatakot, no? At kailangan po protection at papangalagaan mo yung drones mo. And because this is something the Two of Pentacles, that maging balance ka, no? At timbangin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong for you. Tuklasin, alamin mo yung magiging impact sa'yo with the Justice card. No? Dapat alam mo yung magiging kalalabasan at magiging kahihinatnan ng bawat action and decisions mo. Okay, let's see what is the additional messages. And because there is something, the Eight of something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na. Makakalaya ka na sa mundong ginagalawan mo. Sa sitwasyon na kinasasadlakan mo. No? What is the additional messages? So there's a Knight of Swords, something a negativities. Or either the Knight of Swords represents anxieties, sleepless nights, and worries, no? So let's see, there's an Ace of Swords, something a new project, new plans. So kaya rin siguro ng dami mong iniisip dito dahil nag-over-fatigue na, no? There's something thinker ka, something like that. Parang ang dami mong bagahe sa utak mo, sa isip mo, ang dami mong plano. You're also multitasking. Kaya siguro yan. Na parang ang dami mong gustong gawin. Diba? What is the Justice card? The Justice card represents the Six of Swords with the transition. No, makakalaya ka na sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. So, magiging kalmado lang sitwasyon mo. Kung makukuha mo na yung mga bagay na what you deserve, what is the Page of Swords? Represent what? There's something, the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No, kaya kailangan handa ka pang matuto dyan. No, sa pagtatrabaho mo, dapat pagyabungin mo, enhance your skills and polish your abilities. No, kaya dapat handa kang matuto, handa kang madagdagan ng kaalaman mo. No? So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles. Represent with the Ace of Swords with the breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka. No, magtatagumpay ka, alam mo sa sarili mo dapat yung at malinawanag ang plano mo, pangarap mo at maging balanse ka sa iniisip mo. No, you are on the spotlight, pinagtitinginan ka at magtatagumpay ka. And there's a Five of Swords, something is self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, iwasan mo na, no? There's something let go or moving on, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo nang tanggapin na minsan ka nagkamali sa sarili mo na nagtiwala, no? Nagtiwala at nagamit ka, no? Kaya ka nagkaroon ng parang trauma, something like that. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa iyo ngayon na baguhin mo na yung behavior mo, no? Dahil din sa mga pakikipag-usap mo, pakikipag-ugnayan mo sa nowhere na yung privacy mo ay maaaring shiner mo. So, kumbaga, ginamit yung kahinaan mo na yon para patumbahin ka, pabagsakin ka, no? Or either para masira ka. So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords. Represent with a High Fist. So, something with a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, there's something, a mystery, na maraming mga bagay na nakatago dito. na kailangan liwanagin mo. No? Alisin mo yung mga tumatakbo sa utak mo. No? There's something in intuition and higher self. No? Kumbaga may kakayanan kahit kalaman ka dito eh. Kailangan marunong kang bumalanse. No? May mga spiritual insight ka, may mga nakikita ka. Some of you may mga spiritual abilities. Malakas ang vibrations, spirit guides, so may mga gabay ka rin dito. What is the Ace of Wands? Reference with the Seven of Swords, there is a sneakiness. There is a cheating lying on you. Now, may mga taong nagsisinungaling behind your back. May mga taong niloloko ka, tinatraidor ka. No? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Justice card because the Six of Swords. Reference with what? Reference with the Death card. So, there's something guys with an ending in your beginning. No? Mga bagay na tatapusin na. Makakalaya at makakawala ka na dyan. No? Sa sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. No? This is something spiritual, a transformation for you. No, para magkaroon ka ng bagong simula. No, na maaaring matututo ka na. No, sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. What is the Page of Swords? The Eight of Pentacles. Reference with the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No, makakamtan mo na. Maaaring magkaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. No, madadagdagan ang kaalaman mo. No, at yung marami ka ng malalaman, experiences, knowledge. So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles and of course the Ace of Swords. Reference with the Four of Wands. Some of you guys na magkakaroon ng celebrations, family gatherings, homecoming, parties, events, a wedding of course. Na ito yung hinihintay mo, maaaring magtagumpay ka na. What is the Eight of Cups? Because the Five of Swords. There's a Queen of Pentacles just being practical, and there's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Na matututo ka na how to manage your finances. Nagkaroon ng self-sabotage kasi naging mabuti ka, naging ka dito mabait ka. No, being generous ka. No, naabuso ka. What is the Nine of Swords? Because the High Priestess. Reference with the Full card. No? Magtiwala ka dito sa ating Panginoon, may gabay na tumutulong sa'yo. Makakawala at makakalaya ka dyan from stress and negativities. Let's see what is the Ace of Wands because the Seven of Swords. Reference with the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys, no, kumaga nagkaroon ng financial crisis, ngayon maliliwanagan ka na, no, na may mga tao talaga niloko ka, tinaridor ka, no, binudol ka. And of course, some of you guys nagsinungaling talaga, no? And there's a hidden agenda. So ngayon babaguhin mo na yung pananaw mo, babaguhin mo na yung plano mo, yung ginagawa mo, no? So let's see what is the additional messages for outcome. So there's a Ten of Pentacles with a long term. Now, wag ka mag-alala, makukuha mo what you deserve. Now, the justice is here that brings you a transition, transformations that bring you a long-term success. Now, the justice is something of consequences. The justice is something of good karma, transition, transformation, and the Ten of Pentacles that brings you a long-term success. Ganon. What is the Page of Swords? Because the Eight of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. Reverse and Empress card, revert. Disconnect from the world. No, kumbaga, ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon, no, para maibalik mo na sa kamay mo, no, ang lakas, no, at ang karangyaan, tagumpay, and this is something that's our moment for something rebuilding. Na maaaring mabubuo mo na yung mga bagay na nasira sa'yo, reputasyon, pagkatao, no, iba rin kasi naging trauma sa'yo eh. And there's a Wheel of Fortune na turning back to your favor. Kasi karma nga naman, diba? Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo, babalik sa kanila yan. At the same time, babalik sa'yo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. Diba? Kahit anumang pilit na tutulan, hadlangan, magiging maganda pa rin ng ikot ng kapalaran. And this is something the Three of Wands, there's a waiting for a ship. Ito yung hinihintay mong panahon at pagkakataon. No, para makuha mo na, makita mo na ang magiging resulta. No, and this is something the Emperor, maging mature ka at maging grounded ka sa mga desisyon at sa mga gagawin mong actions. Let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating naman tayo sa love life. Ay, finances muna. Finances. For finances, there are Nine of Pentacles. There is something blossoming. Maring lumakas ang yung finances. At talagang may kakayanan ka talaga para kumita at lumakas ang yung finances. Normal. Ibig sabihin may diskarte ka dito. Iba yung atake mo dito. And because this is something guys with Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment, matutupad yung pangarap mo. Kaya mo eh. You have the power. And there's something the Queen of Wands, may confident. No, lakasan mo na loob mo, maging matapang ka. No? Labanan mo yung ano mo dito, yung panghihinaan ng loob, labanan mo yan. No? Dahil may diskarte ka eh. Nga lang, mayroon ka ditong, kumbaga na panghihinaan ka ng loob na sumubok. No, there's a Six of Pentacles, may maging balanse ka. No, magtutuloy-tuloy ito, magandang kapalaran sa'yo. And because there is something na the King of Pentacles, with something security, maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. And there's a King of Wands, something ambition. No, lagi mo titignan yung magiging possibilities, yung outcome. No, ng decision mo pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. No, lagi mo titignan yung something, changes and development ng trabaho mo o negosyo mo. Kung dyan ba yayabong ka, dyan ba lalakas ka, dyan ba uunlad ka. So, let's see. What is additional messages tayo? Pagdating sa love life. There's a Five of Cups, something disappointment. Some of you guys know, maraming mga panghihinayang pagsisisi dito sa buhay pag-ibig mo. And because this is something the Queen of Swords, mag-set ka ng boundaries kaya para hindi ka na nagagamit, no, naluloko. And see, there's a Five of Wands. Isa sa nagiging komplikasyon dito yung pagiging ano mo, no, nagtitiwala ka ng lubos agad-agad. Pakawalan mo na yung mga bagay na nakayari sa nakaraan o yung issue, lalo-lalo na yung tao, huwag ka na ulit nagtitiwala. There's a Ten of Swords, sabotage. Some of you guys, no, lagi mo natatagpuan yung taong ayaw na sasapawan. No, sa relasyon mo, lagi ka nagkakaroon ng karelasyon na ayaw na uungasan. And there's a Eight of Wands, something trouble. Makakapag-trouble ka dito. At dun mo makikilala yung long-term partner mo. So, let's see. What is additional messages for health? Sa kalusugan mo naman, let's see. And there's something the King of Cups for devotion. And devoted, it's for the person. No, magiging matalino ka na at magiging wise ka na pagdating sa kalusugan mo. Isa sa nakaka-apekto dito yung sobrang pagmamahal mo. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng stress and depression sa isang bagay dahil konektado ang health mo and love life mo. And there's a Magician, something manifestation. No, you are also have the power, no, para may sa katuparan yung mga gusto mo. No, and this is something the lovers. Sabi ko na nga ba, konektado talaga ang love life mo at health. There's an Ace of Cups. So see, there is something in you love. No, may pag-ibig ka talaga na magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalan. No, kikiligin ka talaga. This is something emotional killing. No, iba na talaga yung emotion na magiging atake sa'yo dito. Makakalaya ka na, no, sa mga naging trauma, no, ng dala-dala ng pag-ibig na yan. Na para ma-fulfill lahat ng mga sakit, mga parang tinusok-tusok, tinaridor, nasaktan ka, ayaw mo naman yung magmahal, ngayon magmamahal ka na ulit. Ibabalik na ulit yung kilig. Iba yung nagagawa ng kilig na to, na nagbibigay motivation sa'yo, na para maging magandang kalusugan mo. Ang ganda. And there's a Page of Pentacles, no? Alagaan mo yung sarili mo, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. There's a Seven of Cups, no? Ito pa rin yung mga pangarap mo. So guys, let's see what is an overall outcome. Overall outcome in all areas of your life. There's a Three of Swords, no? Madami ka ng pinagdaanan. Marami ka ng bigat na pinasan. There's a Page of Wands, something may magandang balita dito na darating na maaaring ipanali mo na. No? Maaaring mag-success ka na. Maaaring makuha mo na. It's all a God with a God purpose. And there's something let God in. Okay, let's see. There's an item because there's something in offer. Maraming offer talaga parating dito, no? Pagdating dito sa lahat ng eksena na to. Maraming offer, hindi lang romantic offer, no? May proposal, promotions, and there's the King of Swords na parang mababago na yung landas mo dito. There's something returning back, no? Magiging maganda na, this is something a karma, no? Magiging maganda ng sitwasyon mo, magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan dito, that because of this the Hermit card. It's a God purpose. It's a God will. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 8 hanggang April 14 for the sign of Cancer. Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below. kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. After this, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa akin channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!